with ScreenConnect, and I had a client request a quick video of setting up a technician to be able to only have access to a specific group of machines. So first step is basically selecting the custom property on the machines that you want in that group. So let's just call it the marketing department. And right here we're using custom property department. So my environment obviously pretty small. I'll just use this one machine here. And then you can create a session. Expression editor. You get your paper head, so custom property 3 equals. Save that session group. And then you can see that machine now drops over there. The next step is you want to navigate to the admin tab, and then security. And then you can create so everything, just to call out, all of these permissions are inherited from the very top group. So the first thing you want to do is unselect all, and then you have all session groups highlighted. And then you can navigate down to your session group that you want. And if you want them to have all permissions, you can select all. Save that role. Marketing, go, save role. And then you can assign that role to that user. So me in this case, marketing, save. And then you can see, navigate back to your access list. You'll just have access to that one specific group. So be sure to shoot me a quick like on this video and follow me for more awesome ScreenConnect content. Have a great day. Bye.